Tellico Village Network and the Tellico Village Birding Club presents Birds of Tellico Village. The Birds of Tellico Village series is designed to provide beginning birders and residents who have moved to the village from other parts of the country an overview of the bird species commonly found in the village. In this episode, we will look at the northern flicker, yellow-bellied sapsucker, red rusted nuthatch, brown-headed nuthatch, brown creeper, and yellow-rumped warbler. Of these 6 species, northern flickers and brown-headed nuthatches are in the village year-round, and the other 4 are only found in the village during the winter. Northern flickers are large brown woodpeckers with black scalloped plumage. Found year-round in our area, males have a red nape patch, a black mustache stripe, and are bright yellow under the wing and tail when viewed in flight. Northern flickers in the eastern U.S. are commonly referred to as yellow-shafted flickers, while northern flickers in the western U.S., which have a red mustache stripe and red under their wings and tails, are called red-shafted flickers. In both cases, females are similar to males but lack the mustache stripe. Yellow-bellied sapsuckers are medium-sized woodpeckers with a boldly patterned face and a long white stripe along their folded wing. While both sexes have red foreheads, males additionally have red throats. Most birds have a yellowish wash on their belly, giving them their yellow-bellied name. Only present locally in the winter, yellow-bellied sapsuckers drill neatly spaced rows in trees and then return periodically to feed on the sap that oozes out. Besides drilling sap wells, they also eat insects found in tree trunks in a more typical woodpecker fashion. Another winter visitor is the red-rusted nuthatch, a small, compact, blue-gray bird with a boldly patterned head and a reddish tinge below. Females generally have grayer caps above and are paler below. Red-rusted nuthatches move quickly over tree trunks in random directions, looking for conifer seeds and insects. Their call is thinner and more nasal than the closely related white-breasted nuthatch. Brown-headed nuthatches are small birds that have blue-gray backs, whitish underparts, and a prominent brown cap. Year-round residents, they are more frequently heard than seen as they zigzag their way up and down tall pine trees, often near the top. Their squeaking, rubber duck-like call is quite unique. Brown creepers are small, lanky songbirds, most often seen spiraling upwards on trees, searching for insects and spiders. Since they have brown streaking above, brown creepers are somewhat camouflaged when they are viewed against the bark of a tree. Like red-breasted nuthatches, brown creepers are only seen during the winter in our area. The 4th and final winter bird in this episode, YellowRumped warblers, are easily identified by a patch of yellow on their rump from which their name is derived. As is the case with many warblers, their plumage is most colorful in breeding season and changes to more subtle tones for the fall and winter. Since we see yellow-rumped warblers in the winter, they will in most cases have their duller fall plumage when they arrive and gain some of their breeding plumage before they leave in the early spring. Birds of Tellico Village was presented by Tellico Village Network and the Tellico Village Birding Club. Look for additional episodes on Tellico Village Network. For more information on the Tellico Village Birding Club, visit the club's website at tvbirdingclub.com. YellowRumped.org.